What's up, everyone? So, this is just my quick recap of my training session for scalping. So, for those of you that can see, I'm going to be basically breaking down almost 4 hours of a trading session within 10 minutes. And this is the power of training with a powerful backtesting software that you can simulate the live markets in real time, pretty much what I'm doing in front of you. So as you can see, I'm getting in and out of trades within less than a minute, as you can see, because I'm fast forwarding and I'm speeding up the data that you can see. So on the far left hand, top left hand corner of the screen, you can see that it says the speed of the settings I can choose. And so I usually have it pushed all the way to the far right because my proficiency at price action reading is very, very superb. And I do understand my strategy down to the tick. So right here, this is how master traders are created. We sit here and we practice our strategies all the way to the tick. So then nothing is flawed because when you're trading with lots of money and very large lot sizes, you don't want to have many errors. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just showing you all my errors being flawed out, and I'm perfecting my craft. Um, you can see that I'm simultaneously entering and exiting trades within a matter of a few seconds, and this would have took several minutes, if not longer, for me to get through this. So this current session is the U.S. session, and as you can see, it says that it's a U.S. session on March 3rd, 2021, and so it's about 8:50 a.m. New York time, and I'm just showing you all the power of the software. This is live data in front of you that I'm simulating, and I'm just showing you all that this is skill. This is not luck. Because if it was luck, I wouldn't be in and out of trades, and especially winners, within the matter of this time. And you can see it's sped up super fast because that's just my skill level at this point. I didn't know if my stop loss was going to get hit. I didn't know if my profit target was going to get hit. All I knew was that I have to follow my strategy. I have to watch out for the market conditions that are not favorable for my strategy, and I have to sit on my hands in certain times. This teaches me patience, and it also provides me with the opportunity to get that little bit of training in on the weekends or whenever I have that additional time to train. So as you can see, I entered, looks to be a long right there. It looks like price may end up hitting my stop loss. This is a live simulation as if it was real time, except for this time already passed. It's historical now. But I didn't know that, and you can see that it's going on in my favor in the money. As it goes on in the money, I do trail my stop loss. As you can see right there, I'm starting to look to trail my stop loss as price goes in my favor. Why? Because I learned over time that, especially with my strategy or with any strategy, if the stop loss doesn't hit, that means that you should get out the trade because you're uncertain. But in this example, I closed out. It was pretty much going to go to my target anyways, but this is training. So I build the confidence, I build the understanding, and there's no ego trading, no emotional trading, and it's all straightforward at this point, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna go through the rest of the video. You can pretty much see everything else that's going on, and yeah, just let it play out. You see that there was one winner right in front of you. I believe in this video I collected about 3 winners in a row, and this was throughout the U.S. session. So if I were trading this 4 hour period, or within this 3.5 4 hour period, I probably would have caught 3 to 4 winners in a row. If I'm risking 1 R for 2.5 R, that's about 7.5 to 8 R, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it's flowing, it's moving, it's going. And yeah, right here, there's possible top. So I didn't want to take any trades up there because the market was not moving on up for the day. It was not really trending. So I drew a little skepticism in this area. I was just a little concerned about going long, and I didn't want to go short right away because there was no chance that the bears were taking over at the moment. But I was patient. I did wait on my hand. One of my weak points in my trading was not being patient enough to wait for the setups to present themselves. So during this back testing, I was actually able to, forward, fast forward the time. So yes, I'm still patient, but if this was real time, I would actually have to sit here for several minutes waiting for the setup. I used to just hop in after a few minutes trying to take the short down, and a lot of times I would get stopped out prematurely and whipsawed around. But this is teaching me that, yeah, in the matter of a few seconds, if I can sit here for a few seconds and see several minutes pass by for another opportunity like right here, then I can do that in real time, and I can sit there for several minutes and do the same thing. So like I said, it's improving my trading performance and being able to do this throughout the day. I do take losses still, but fortunately in this video, the market was flowing just right enough. I didn't know price action prior to recording this, so all of this is pretty much all just simplified for you. You can see there was no audio at the time because I had to stay focused. I had to know my points, my parameters, and everything. And as you can see, I'm trading within the range, highs and lows, and just simply just making it look easy. But it's a lot harder than it looks. So there you go. Watch the rest of the video, enjoy it. This is the second win. I'm gonna just be quiet and stay silent for the third win. But as you can see, this is just another day in the life of my backtesting.